Welcome to Digitizing.com, where creativity meets precision, your one-stop destination for all things digitizing. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Now let's see and learn about how to offer custom embroidery services to local businesses. Custom embroidery services have become an essential asset for local businesses seeking to enhance their brand identity and establish a professional image. From uniforms to promotional products, embroidery adds a touch of sophistication and durability that stands out. Offering custom embroidery services to local businesses not only strengthens community ties, but also opens up significant opportunities for growth and collaboration. The primary goal is to meet the branding needs of businesses while delivering high-quality, customized solutions that reflect their values and vision. Understanding the needs of local businesses. The first step in offering embroidery services is to understand what local businesses are looking for. Different industries have unique needs. Retail and hospitality, uniforms, aprons, and caps embroidered with logos. Corporate offices, custom shirts, jackets, or promotional merchandise. Sports teams, jerseys, hats, and gear featuring team names or mascots. Events and nonprofits, tote bags, patches, or banners for awareness campaigns. Conducting market research or directly connecting with local businesses allows you to tailor your services effectively. Building a portfolio. A strong portfolio is vital to showcase the quality of your embroidery services. Start by creating samples that demonstrate a variety of stitching techniques, custom designs on different fabrics and materials, examples of logo embroidery and personalization. If you're just starting out, offer discounted or free trial services to a few businesses to build credibility and collect testimonials. Offering competitive pricing plays a crucial role in attracting and retaining clients. Break down your pricing model into setup fees for digitizing logos or designs, per item costs based on the complexity of the embroidery and the number of pieces, bulk discounts to encourage larger orders. Be transparent about your pricing and ensure it aligns with the quality of service you provide. Investing in quality equipment, reliable equipment ensures consistent results and builds trust with your clients. Consider investing in commercial-grade embroidery machines, multi-needle machines for efficiency and versatility, software for design digitization, tools that convert logos into embroidery-ready formats, high-quality threads and materials to ensure durability and vibrant designs. Regular maintenance of your equipment is equally important to maintain production quality. Offering customization and flexibility, local businesses value personalized solutions. Allow flexibility in design choices, including fonts, colors, and sizes. Options for embroidery on various items like hats, jackets, and bags. Turnaround times for urgent or bulk orders. By offering these options, you position your service as adaptable and client-focused. Marketing your services. To attract local businesses, focus on targeted marketing strategies. Social media presence. Showcase your work on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Networking events. Attend local business expos and community fairs. Collaborations. Partner with printers, designers, or other service providers to expand your reach. Word-of-mouth referrals. Encourage satisfied clients to recommend your services. Highlight your unique selling points such as fast turnaround, eco-friendly materials, or specialized designs to stand out in the market. Building long-term relationships. Success in custom embroidery services depends on fostering strong relationships with clients. Provide exceptional customer service by maintaining open communication throughout the process, delivering orders on time or earlier than promised, offering loyalty programs or discounts for repeat clients. Satisfied clients are more likely to return and recommend your services to others, ensuring consistent business growth. Embracing innovation. Stay ahead of the competition by keeping up with trends and technology. Experiment with new techniques such as 3D puff embroidery or mixed media designs to offer cutting-edge solutions. Regularly update your skills and equipment to meet evolving demands. By focusing on quality, customization, and client satisfaction, offering custom embroidery services to local businesses becomes a rewarding and profitable venture. The effort you invest in understanding and meeting the needs of your local community will help you build a trusted brand with a lasting impact. If you are looking for high-quality embroidery digitizing, then Digitizing.com is your perfect partner for precision and excellence. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.